Hi everybody, welcome back from my table to yours. Today we are going to make a quick and easy pizza dip. Good for New Year's Eve parties, any kind of parties, honestly. So we have 2 things of cream cheese in our bowl. And you can add whatever you want in there. I'm gonna add some parsley flakes. You can add oregano, any of that. And we are going to put some sour cream in. So you wanna go with your consistency again. So I'm gonna put in about 2 tablespoons of that. And then we're gonna put some black pepper in. You can use garlic salt, but I'm gonna be using onions, so I'm not going to put any garlic salt in there. Okay, and then once you got those in there, just kind of stir it up and get mixed up. The cream cheese should be at room temperature, so it's easier to mix in with sour cream. Get that mixed in real good. And then if you have to add a little extra sour cream, you can as well. Just quick and easy holiday appetizers, game day appetizers. So what we're going to do is we are going to take our mixture here and we are going to put it in our pan. And then you're going to want to evenly spread it in the pan. You know, I hope everybody had a wonderful holiday. We did. Okay. So now that you have your cream cheese mixture on the bottom there, you can use any pizza sauce you want. So you're going to want to take a whole can of pizza sauce. And put it in there. And then again, you're going to want to spread it out in there. And you also want to make sure that you're preheating your oven to 350 so that it's warming up while you're making the dip here. Now you can use any meats that you want to. You can use sausage, pepperoni, bacon. You can use green peppers, onions, whatever you feel that you want to. So today I'm going to use some bacon and pepperoni, and I'm going to use some green onion. And once you got your pizza sauce all layered on there, go ahead and put your cheese in. Make sure you get a lot of cheese. I like extra cheese on everything. So once you got that all layered on there, I am going to go ahead and I'm going to put some pepperonis on mine. I got the pepperonis and I diced them up just so that it gets the flavor into the dip as it's cooking. And I'm also going to use some bacon on top of that. Minus this little guy. I think this is going to be really good. This is the first time I've ever made pizza dip, so we're going to see how well this turns out. Okay, then I'm going to add some more cheese on that. Oh yeah. This will also be good for a good movie night if you're just staying home and want to make something easy, you know. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. And let me know in the comments what you think, or if you have any ideas of how to make something, a pizza dip differently. So then we're going to go back to our pepperonis. We're going to put some more pepperoni on it. Then we're going to put some more bacon on it. And then we are going to top it off with some chopped green onion. Then we are going to bake this at 350 for probably about 30 minutes. Okay, our pizza dip is done. So once it's golden brown, and you can put Parmesan cheese on it when you're done. Just make sure you guys remember to hit like and subscribe. I will start putting the recipe at the end of my channel so that you guys can retrieve it there when you finish watching the video. Again, thank you for watching. We are now gonna try this. I'm going to use naan bread, but you can use softened quarter chips, you can use crackers, you can use bread, you can use whatever you want to use for this. So we're gonna go ahead and try a little bit of this. Oh yeah, that's really good. That's really good. Again, thank you for watching. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, and we will see you next time from my table to yours.